In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating Google Workspace mails to Office 365 using the BitRecover Google Workspace Migration Wizard. To install our Google Workspace to Office 365 Migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool provides user with Google Workspace account migration. If you have a Google Workspace admin account, you can click on the I am admin option and batch migrate mailboxes. Uncheck I am admin option to go back. To begin, enter your Google Workspace address and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google Workspace account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Enter your Office 365 email address. Next, simply click the Backup button. A new window will open on screen to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account. After logging in, the migration will begin. Once the migration is completed, you will receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated Google Workspace mails. Click OK and open the Office 365 mailbox to access the newly migrated mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.